Hey, this is Rick with the 2003 Ford Sport Trac. Removing the seats, very simple. Got 4 bolts, 10 millimeter, 2 in the front here, and 2 in the back, right there. And then there's, let's see, a wire connection right there. And then there's the Torx head. Let's see, Torx, it's T50 Torx head for this deal. This is for attachment for the seat belt, kind of a bar bracket deal. That'll come off like that. Then this has this little plastic cover here. It goes. See how it kind of goes like that. Gotta like twist it. I twisted it and just popped it with a screwdriver. So that's the front ones. So let's see. So the backs, and then you got these plastic covers too to go over it. See how those, like that, those just pop off. Probably take a little doing. But the back seats, you got little rubber on the top. They just pop right out. And then I think these bolts are 15 millimeters, like that. Let's go around. And then you just take this cover off. This just pops out pretty easy. This cover like that. Let's see. Has that little clip there. That's about it. And then there's 2 more clips. They just go in there. And this is the back one right here. I think I'm showing it. I don't know. It's pretty bright. But anyway, it's right down there. And then let's see. There's a bolt here. I forget what's. I think that's like an 18 millimeter ish, something like that. And then for that one, I just got a big pry bar, 1/2 inch. Got on that to break that loose. And let's see, and then there's another one here. It's 15. So you got those, the 2 on the bottom. Okay. And then what you want to do is move the seat forward. Like that. Once those are gone, and then what you got is let's see, down here. See this thing right here? It just turns. It's just going to slide out. Same with the other side. It's just going to slide out. So what you want to do is when all the bolts out, you want to just pick up the seat, lift it up, and then just turn it towards the passenger side. And then that will slide right out of there. And then that seat's out. And then the other side is the same way. 2 bolts. Boom, there. Let's see here. Okay, so you got those. And then you'll have with this seat, you got the seat belt, the center seat belt. It's the T50 Torx head. And then that's it. And then those will come out. So, thanks for watching, subscribing. Bye now.